Having a Suzuki minivan taught me a lot of lessons, and it still does. But before I dig deep into that, I would like to give a quick intro about my minivan. So I started with Suzuki Every Van DA17V, which lasted for about 2 years. And then I upgraded to Suzuki Every Wagon DA17W, which is what I am currently driving. This unit is specifically a 2016 model in Japan. As for the specs, this is a 4x2 variant single automatic sliding door, low roof. I highly commend the builder of my minivan, whose name is Harry Brad Pitt, but we call him Doc Harry. Given proper maintenance, it does feels like a commercial vehicle. Moving on to the topic of this vlog. Ano nga ba yung mga bagay na natutunan ko at natututunan pa rin simula na magkaroon ako nitong minivan? Number 1, since this Suzuki Every is not built for speed, tinuruan ako nitong minivan na huwag mainip. Kasi makakarating naman tayo sa ating paroroonan. Just like in real life, for example sa family or relatives, sa katrabaho, sa mga kaibigan, or sa mga group. Example, nakabili ng sasakyan, ng bahay, or nakapag-travel. Hindi natin dapat kainggitan yun kasi unang-una, pinaghirapan nila yun. At mas maganda kung gawin nating inspirasyon kung paano nila narating yung narating nila. Ang mahirap kasi na sakit ng tao, yung inggit, yung crab mentality, na kung minsan pag nakikita nila yung ibang tao na umaangat, hihilahin nilang pababa. Mas maganda sana kung gawin na lang nilang inspirasyon yung mga taong umaangat. Kasi habang nabubuhay, meron tayong pagkakataon we have all the chances to work para ma-achieve or marating kung ano man yung gusto nating marating. If only all the people have this mindset, then we would have a more peaceful world. As for the topic of this vlog, I am done. Please watch out for more Hugot Lions. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!